Megan.
And we're food corps service members at Norwalk Public Schools this year.
We're here today at Deercrest Farm to celebrate CT Grown for CT Kids Week. The apples that all of you are eating in your lunches this week came from this farm.
Let's go explore and see how your apples were grown.
Come on! This farm has apples and broccoli and tomatoes and probably a whole bunch more, so we're gonna go check it out.
Oh look, these are Honey Crisps. They're my favorite. Let's pick some. Honey Crisp are my favorite apple. Megan, what's your favorite apple?
Man, I don't know. I like so many different types of apples. I like Fuji, I like Cortland, I like Honeycrisp. Let's go see if they have some Macintosh.
Oh yeah, I think they do over here.
I think I found some Macintosh. All right, now Allie found her favorite and I found my favorite. Liz, what's your favorite?
I think I like Granny Smith apples. Oh, maybe we can see if they have some here.
Let's go look.
All right. Guys, we found them. Some Granny Smiths. Try to get that one. I got it. You got it!
Did you know that there are 7,500 different types of apples in the world? These ones are Honeycrisp.
Did you know humans have been eating apples since 6,500 BC? That's 8,500 years. Did you know that apples are 25% air? That's why they float. Let's review our plant parts with this beautiful apple tree. So we have the roots that are underground here, and then the stem, which is this long trunk. We have a lot of leaves. We have our fruit, which is the apple, and we have a couple flowers left, but they're gone for the season for the most part. And then let's look at the seeds inside the apple. Those are all our plant parts. Did you know Americans eat more apples than any other kind of fruit?
I did not know that. Did you know that every apple takes the power of 50 leaves to grow?
Wow. Oh. Did you know the science of growing apples is called pomology? Allie, what's wrong? You see all these apples? They've fallen and no one can eat them anymore. Oh, well that's okay. These apples are decomposing under this tree, but as they decompose, which means to shrivel up and decay, they're going to mix in with the soil and make the soil even richer so that this tree here can grow even bigger and have more apples on it. So actually, it's a good thing. Okay, good. I was worried they were going to waste. They're so beautiful, but no one would want to eat them anymore. But our earth can instead. Yay!
Deercrest Farms, in addition to all of the apples, also grows a whole bunch of other things like these squash right here. Look at this guy. We've got some blueberry bushes over here. You can see a bunch of blueberries still on them. Oh. I actually didn't know that blueberry bushes turned red in the fall.
Look, I found raspberries growing on the farm here. Don't they look delicious?
All right, so this is actually really cool. I'm sure a lot of you know that broccoli is actually a flower that we eat, but I'm not sure how many of you have seen these little yellow flowers that grow off of the broccoli buds that we eat. That's pretty cool.
Wow, it has been such an amazing day here at Deercrest Farm. We loved seeing and picking so many different types of apples and discovering some of the other fruits and vegetables that are grown here. It's amazing to see where the apples we eat at school come from and how they grow. I hope you enjoyed this virtual farm tour. What a great way to celebrate CT Grown for CT Kids Week. Thank you, Connecticut farmers, for providing us with delicious local and seasonal food.
You're out in the country now, on top of the world. Thank you. We enjoy growing your apples for you. I hope you enjoy them, and hope you continue to get them for years to come. Maybe someday you can take a field trip out here. You don't have to do the virtual tour.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Thanks for coming out.
My name's Liz, and this is how I crunch.
My name is Megan, and this is how I crunch.
My name is Allie, and this is how I crunch.
This is a very good apple. I bet I can eat this apple all the way down to the core.
All the way down to the core?
You bet.
I bet I could too. You know what? I challenge you to the hardcore apple challenge. Eat your apple all the way down to the core.
Are you hardcore?
I'm hardcore. Are you hardcore?